Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you determine the Lewis structure for BrF5, which has a chemical name of Bromine Pentafluoride. To start with its Lewis structure, we first need to know the total number of valence electrons for this molecule. Now we have one atom of bromine over here and 5 atoms of fluorine over here, and both bromine and fluorine have 7 valence electrons in its outer shell, which means we have a total of 42 valence electrons for this molecule. Once you know the number of valence electrons, start placing atoms and show bonds to form a Lewis structure. Here, bromine atom will take the central position and all the fluorine atoms will surround the central atom. And to show a bond, place lines like this between bromine and fluorine atom. Each bond takes up 2 valence electrons, which means we have used up 10 valence electrons out of 42, and now we are left with 32 valence electrons. Start placing these electrons around fluorine and bromine atom. As each fluorine atom is sharing 1 valence electron of bromine atom, it will have a complete octet. So you have to place 6 valence electrons around each fluorine atom. Doing that, we will be left with 2 valence electrons, which we will place around bromine atom. Because it is a period 4 element, it can have expanded octets and can accommodate more than 8 valence electrons. Hence, bromine atom will have one lone pair of electrons and all the other valence electrons will be placed around fluorine atoms. So this is the Lewis structure of bromine pentafluoride. You can also check the formal charges of bromine and fluorine atoms to confirm this Lewis structure. You can check out the formal charge calculator link that we have given in our description box below, or you can also use the formula for calculating the formal charges. And I hope this video helps you to understand the step-by-step method to determine the Lewis structure for BrF5. For more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity and other chemistry concepts, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.